Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners. I'm Olivia, your teacher.
And I'm Mateo, your student. Hi, Olivia.
Hi, Mateo. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Today, we will talk about going to the park. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's start with greetings. Greetings are words we say when we meet someone. For example, hello and hi. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Again, hello.
Hello.
Good. Now say hi.
Hi.
Nice. Other greetings are good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Repeat with me. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Wonderful. When we say goodbye, we say goodbye or see you. Say it with me. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you.
See you.
Great job, Mateo. Now let's learn colors. Colors are all around us. At the park, we see many colors. Repeat these colors. Green, blue, red, yellow.
Green, blue, red, yellow.
Good. Say them again slowly. Green, blue, red, yellow.
Green, blue, red, yellow.
Excellent. Let's add two more colors, orange and purple. Repeat, please. Orange,
Orange,
purple.
purple,
Perfect. Now, Mateo, what color is the grass?
green,
Right. And the sky?
blue.
Well done. Now let's learn parts of the body. At the park, we use our body a lot. Repeat after me. Hand,
Hand,
leg,
leg,
eyes,
eyes,
mouth.
mouth.
Very good. Now say all parts together. Hand, leg, eyes, mouth.
Hand, leg, eyes, mouth.
Nice job. Now, look around the park. What do we see in nature? Repeat these words. Tree, flower, grass, sky.
Tree, flower, grass, sky.
Say them again slowly. Tree, flower, grass, sky.
Tree, flower, grass, sky.
Good. Now let's talk about games and play. What games do you like at the park, Mateo?
I like to play catch and use the swing.
Great. Repeat these words. Swing, slide, ball, catch.
Swing, slide, ball, catch.
Again, slowly. Swing, slide, ball, catch.
Swing, slide, ball, catch.
Excellent. Now let's talk about feelings and emotions. How do you feel when you play?
I feel happy.
Say it again with me. Happy.
Happy,
When you are tired after playing, how do you feel?
tired,
Say tired.
tired.
Good. Now smile and say, I am happy.
I am happy.
How do we say, I am sad if we feel sad? Repeat. I am sad.
I am sad.
Perfect. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello. The grass is green. I like to play on the swing. I feel happy.
Hello. The grass is green. I like to play on the swing. I feel happy.
Very good. Now, let's review everything we learned today. First, greetings, hello, hi, good morning, goodbye.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. Goodbye.
Colors, green, blue, red, yellow, orange, purple.
Green, blue, red, yellow, orange, purple.
Body parts, hand, leg, eyes, mouth.
Hand, leg, eyes, mouth.
Nature words, tree, flower, grass, sky.
Tree, flower, grass, sky.
Games, swing, slide, ball, catch.
Swing, slide, ball, catch.
Feelings and emotions, happy, tired, sad.
Happy, tired, sad.
Excellent job today, Mateo.
Thank you, Olivia. I learned a lot.
Thank you, listeners. Keep practicing every day. Say the words out loud, repeat, and have fun.
See you next time.
Goodbye.